Hey besties, so here is what we have so far. Peppers are basically all done. So now we want our peppers. And hang on a minute, I'll show you what to do. And then this here. So they're gonna look like this first, but then you're gonna cut them. And then they're gonna look like that, so just put them in the bowl. And then toss. Okay. And then the same thing with this guy. Take him, cut him in half. Okay. Okay. And again, they're gonna look like this. Just toss them in. Now comes the fun part. Taking this and making sure that the pepper is like this. Putting your knife kind of in the middle. Slicing it down. Okay, so now you're gonna have 2 slices. Cut it into 1. Cut it into 2. And then this part's basically okay. Just take the grind off of it and then cut it in half again. Okay.